All right, so Sam, what are we in today?
We are in a BYD Atto 3. It's a Chinese manufacturer
Okay.
that have partnered with Alpha Team within the region to offer the vehicles here
Okay.
at a super competitive price, I feel, for a compact SUV.
Not bad. How much is it?
149,900 dirhams.
So that's competing with the Model 3 ish.
Yep.
Oh, ish. So it's basically a small, it looks like a small crossover. That's what it looks like from the outside. Pretty nice looking on the outside, I would say.
Beautiful from the outside. I love the little silhouette LED light bar that runs across the front. LED to headlights, LED tail lights.
Right.
It looks gorgeous, elegant. Quite, I think, nice and impressive.
I agree. What do we got on the inside on the specs and stuff?
Inside spec-wise, we have got a 201 horsepower single electric motor, front wheel drive only, and it has a 60 point something kilowatt hour battery with a range of around 420 kilometers.
Okay, so that's official rating. So it would be somewhere in the 350-ish range in real life, maybe even a bit lesser in this weather in Dubai.
Yeah, if you're using the AC and all of that.
For sure. On the interior, this thing is, I don't know whether to call it funky or not, but it's got this so it's inspired by music?
A musical theme design.
Yeah. So we've got these things, vents for the AC. They look like CDs.
CDs, vinyl record.
Right.
You've got your guitar strings.
Yeah, you've got guitar strings on the side over here.
That's your bottle holder.
Yeah. And then you've got the weirdest door, handle I've ever seen.
Yeah.
That is extremely weird. Even the knob for the gear is very reminiscent of like a airplane throttle.
It is.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
In a weird way, the interior and exterior don't match. They don't match at all.
Yeah, there is a definite disconnect in that regard.
There is. All right, so we've got a panoramic sunroof. We've got various materials all over. So this is like a soft touch, though. It's all soft touch. It's all soft touch, but it's. I'll just say this. I think this car's interior is going to be a bit of an acquired taste. But then you've got this display over here.
It is 12 inches in size.
Okay.
But did you know it can rotate?
Rotate how so?
Like, you literally push a button on the steering wheel and it will go from portrait to landscape or vice versa. How cool is that?
That is very cool. Very, very, very cool. This is a very cool little personalization, but in the last video I was telling you how I've become a fan of portrait style displays.
It's Danish mode.
Oh, that's awesome. I really, really like that.
So, we need to confirm, but I'm under the impression that it has a built-in dash cam.
Okay.
So you can just pop in an SD card and record all the footage.
Okay.
It's got 360 cameras.
Nice.
So that's like super cool. Rather than having to go and buy it and stick it on, it's already got it built in. You've also got a personal hotspot as well. So theoretically, and we don't know yet, does it come with a SIM card or
you have to put one in or
put
whatever.
one in?
Right.
But onboard Wi-Fi, and anyone wants to connect. Very cool.
Very cool.
You've got a couple of USBs in the front, a couple of USBs in the back. You've got wireless charging.
Yeah.
Panoramic sunroof.
Very cool. At 150,000, I think it's a very serious, good offering. Obviously, its EV capabilities will have to be judged, and obviously, please do subscribe to the channel so that if we do and when we do have a review, you're the first one to see it. But on that note, I think it's a very interesting vehicle because it's priced well. We'll have to see the EV performance, but I think it'll give people the guarantee. Obviously, this is not my official statement on it, but I think it's a great starting point if someone's looking to go electric.
Yeah,
it could be.
Potentially,
it could be
a good option.
All right, so that's the first look of the BYD Atto 3. Let us know what you think. If you've already got this car in your country, let us know. If you're looking for it here in the UAE and have any questions, let us know. But apart from that, thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one.